This is insane, this is shocking, and it happened in the middle of a war. Because Israel just spent $34 million on one strike targeting a single man. Yes, one strike, one operation, $34 million gone. Here's what you need to know. Israeli fighter jets launched a massive airstrike over Beirut's Tahyad district, dropping 83 tons of munition in a single strike. The goal was to hunt and possibly kill Hezbollah leader Hassan Nasrallah. And the cost, well, 125 million shekels. That is about $34 million. But why this price tag is mind blowing? Because this wasn't just bombs falling from the sky. Israel burned through precision weapons designed to hit the exact target, air defense interceptors to protect jets, high tech surveillance and drones to guide the strike here, and all of this just for one man. Now, experts are asking, was it even worth it? But here's the bigger problem, and that is armament shortages. Israel's arsenal is not unlimited, right? Arrow missile stockpiles are thinning, costs are skyrocketing, military budgets are ballooning. And here's the kicker, tensions with Iran and Hezbollah are rising. A bigger war could hit sooner than anyone can expect. So here's what this means for Israel's war efforts. Every expensive strike chips away at military readiness, missile defense, ability to respond to future attacks. Analysts warn that relying on high-cost precision strike is unsustainable if regional conflicts escalate. And yes, there is human cost behind the number as well. While the headline talk millions, people on the ground in Beirut, they face mass destruction, loss of homes, loss of livelihoods, civilian fear and trauma. This is a reminder that wars are expensive in money and in human lives. Now, this matters globally too because the world is watching Iran's budget that is under strain. Regional powers like Iran are readying themselves. Hezbollah remains a major threat, a single strike costing $34 million. It shows how modern warfare has become a mix of money, technology, and high stakes strategy. In the end, Israel may have eliminated a key target, but the operation raises bigger question. Can expensive precision strike be sustained? Is Israel ready for a full-scale war erupts? And what cost financially and morally? $34 million for one strike, one target, one message, but the consequences far-reaching and ongoing.